Hey, what's up guys? We're Team Mr. Phone Doctor, and today we're going to try to crack the code and bust the heist at the Lost Cruces Escape Room.
Welcome. My name is Griffin. I'm glad you're here. Who's done escape rooms before? No, you're all okay. So I can tell you all anything. You'll believe me. You're in total control of as many clues as you want or not, depending upon how recreationally or competitively you want to approach your mission. And I will talk more about this in just 1 minute. So escape rooms are all about having 1 hour to work together to open the door to reach your common goal. But it's impossible to do that without first solving your underlying mission, which in this case is to steal the ring from the safe. And so the reason why you're going through all these convoluted, crazy steps to unlock this safe and steal this ring is that the guy who's hired you to do this used to be in business with Ernesto Mondragon, and the two of them no longer do business, but Mondragon owes your boss a little bit of money. Your boss can't send him a bill, he can't take him to court, it wasn't that kind of business. So to get his money back, he's hired the best jewel thieves in Lost Cruces to rob the Mondragon estate while the butler here turns his back for 1 hour. So when you meet your boss here in a minute, you're going to see he's a man of the year type of the guy who can pay you very well if you're successful. He can make you disappear if you're not. You're more than welcome to overthink things if you want to, but you do not need to know anything about vertebrate physiology, constitutional law. You don't need to know the difference between an electron and a proton and a photon. You don't even need to know how to keep score in golf. So if anybody who so much as thinks they know the first thing at all about golf says one word about golf, do not listen to one single word they say. So the way that you move forward is you find things. Some things are literally hiding in plain sight. Sometimes we hide things in plain sight by painting them bright orange. Other things are cleverly disguised. So your job is to act like a curious child, look above it, below it, behind it, inside of it, next to it, and find things. It's almost impossible to make a mistake finding things. Another way to solve your way forward is realize that you will be solving puzzles that will give you pieces of other puzzles. And to that end, you will be getting things before you need them and before you know what they are for. So for example, 5 minutes into your mission, you might go through this to unlock this, to open this, to find a sledgehammer, which we all know what it's for, until you listen to what I just said. 20 minutes later, when you unlock the oven and you find a ball of dough, the question is, can you use the handle of the sledgehammer like a rolling pin? So please don't get stuck thinking that one thing is for one purpose. You will solve puzzles to get pieces of other puzzles, and you will get things before you need them and before you know what they are for. And then also, as you move forward and take action on the room will react. And so some of the room's reactions are obvious and something is very clearly wrong with you. If you miss them, but that's okay, we still think you're awesome. On the other hand, some of the room's reactions are actually very subtle. And then part of your job as a team is to work together to learn what you're doing to make the room respond. But the dead giveaway is that when you did something to make the room respond, the room responds instantaneously. And I mean split-second finger snap instantaneously. So if you do something and nothing happens that instant, then it was not done in the correct order, or it was not done together, or it was missing a piece, or it just was going down the wrong road. And then also we have no red herrings to intentionally mislead you and waste your time and misdirect you. And then also no puzzles in that room are designed to be solved by endless guessing. And so small things in small spaces, don't worry about that. We don't hide nooks and crannies or needles and haystacks. If you cannot fit your adult-sized fist into a space, then nothing is in there. So if you want to call your boss or anyone you want, whenever you want, as much as you want, there's a wall-mounted speakerphone next to the door that looks like that. It has a blue button that says hook. And when you push the blue button that says hook, it will light up, it'll stay lit, you'll hear a dial tone, you can dial whoever you want, whenever you want, as much as you want, including your boss. When there's no clock in the room, there's an hourglass. It's the one thing that we ask you not to touch because it is made of... Very good! Much improved! So that's not your actual mission time, but it's accurate within about 1 minute or so. But I guarantee you there will be no question one way or another about your real mission time. So if that thing starts looking low, you get your foot on the gas. You don't be getting all Dorothy in the witch's castle about boo-hoo, doom is nigh. We should just sit here and wait for it. So it's amazing the number of people that win in the 58th, 59th minute. I can't count how many people do. Cool. Did you get all that?
Yeah.
You got the question? You didn't know questions?
No questions.
Nothing?
Ready
You
to solve the puzzle.
You ready?
code, we didn't get it.
Maybe next time. We'll be here next week.
Yeah, we're gonna do that again.
It was a lot of fun. My group mates were all right. You know, I had to carry a little bit. You know, back hurts a bit, but yeah, I wish Saul just wasn't there. It was just like so bad. Like he just took credit for being, you know, lifting up the box.
You're bleeding a little bit.
Bleeding, yeah. But overall, I just had a lot of fun. It was great.
The puzzles were really fun, easy but complex. It was a lot of fun messing with a lot of the elements in the room that were interactive and high tech, and it was a blast coming back, that's for sure.
You know, best of the group right here. You know,
Yeah, right here.
Can't carry everyone else.
There it is.
Reyes kind of heavy. He needs to stop going to the gym because it's getting kind of heavy carrying him all the time. And the shop in the escape room. It was fun though. We really enjoyed it.
I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of slacking. You know, I could have picked up a little bit more weight, but you know, it is what it is. I'll be coming back next time for
Next
sure.
season, yeah,
We're
we'll
gonna
be
get it
better.
next time.
What gave you all these ideas that wanted you to create this type of environment for everyone? You know, I mean, there's got to be a story behind it.
There is. I mean, everybody's got to have a place to go with their friends or families and then just sort of get out of themselves and just do something never done before. And then this is a place where we can do that. The puzzles are fun, they're challenging, you get as many clues as you want to, so you can be competitive and do it yourself. Or if you want to have more fun, you can just get more clues and that kind of thing. And so to send people out the door with a smile on their face, that's the reason we did it. And that's exactly what you all did.
Definitely.
For people who've never played a room before, you really, really were awesome. And the way you worked together was really, really cool. There was no screaming and crazy and everything, but that's what we love to see. So
Yeah, awesome.
we certainly would love to see you all
Well,
back
thanks,
again.
Chris.
So thank
Appreciate
you.
it. All right, so this time around we didn't get past the puzzle, but as Griffin did say, there was some Penn and Teller in there, and there was probably some other mind-boggling tricks that we had to get through, and we ran out of time. I thought we had a little bit more time, but we didn't. But we'll be back next time, and we're definitely going to solve that puzzle. Come check out the escape room, guys. Lost Cruces.